This marks 50th anniversary of the Concorde, the only plane ever to travel faster than the speed of sound. Supersonic. Today we have here the Bremont Supersonic. Bremont and Aviation are long-standing partners. They're inspired by all things aviation. British Airways have been celebrating 100 years, BA being and the Concorde being a British engineering masterpiece. Bremont has a great alignment with that. Bremont have created various watches in association with aviation. Most famously was their Wright Flyer. Bremont have produced 100 in rose gold, 100 in white gold, and this is one of 300 which is made in polished stainless steel. It's a very elegant look and design. The front of the watch you have a power reserve here at 12 o'clock, sub-second dial, even the little Concorde silhouette just at the 12 there. It's a very sleek, elegant, clean design. Blue leather strap, you probably recognise that as BA blue. What's really stunning is how the Concorde silhouette has been engineered into the case back there. Just a beautiful touch. Then housed within the stainless steel case, we can see this customised hand-wound movement. This is Bremont's first ever manual wind movement. They've been historically making automatic mechanicals, but to be able to show this level of detail, a hand wound was chosen with an 8-day power reserve. The joy of having to set that and wind that, once every 8 days is part of the pleasure of owning it. This has been produced in limited edition numbers, 500 altogether. Each watch is individually numbered. This watch is number 246 of 300 in steel. Each watch incorporates an aluminium ring, which is taken from Alpha Bravo, which is the last remaining Concorde plane at Heathrow. Some very special packaging, beautifully made, very heavy, solidly engineered packaging, and when I press the nose cone down there, the watch pops out nice there. I think it's that's a nice thing to have on your dressing table or on your office desk. That'd be quite fun to open my watch box every day and get my watch out and put on my wrist. That'd be fun. The price of the steel limited edition is £9,495. I'll have a chat with the wife, see if I'm allowed to take it home, but I doubt that for some reason. If the Bremont Supersonic has to be part of your collection, then please contact us here at Winchester, or you can visit our website.